JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? Hope you're having a good day. I'm going to do another video here. This is another overview. Some people didn't really understand the process of fixing one of these. This is actually a fairly decent leatherman case. Pretty good shape. So what you want to do is you want to take your tools out. Okay, before you start, you can wrap the tool for support in saran wrap and put it back in there if you want. But it seems to be a pain in the butt. Take all the tools out. Got a lot of tools. This little case fits a lot of tools. So I got the case here. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to select a 71040 burnt umber for this type of color. For this color, it looks kind of black. You could also use a black if you want to. This is an acrylic paint. It's Model A of Vallejo. Okay, and you spray it on. You want the beauty of this is you can spray it on and just spray a coating on and let it dry. Okay. You want to tape off with the blue tape this piece right here, this button, this snap. You can also use silly putty. Just put silly putty on that, so you don't color it with the burnt umber. And you go over it, and you spray it. Okay. You could give it 3 coats if you want, and that way you don't have any streaks from brush marks or anything like that. And afterwards you want to wipe it with some liquid gold right here and a cotton cloth, and then you take your silly putty off the snap and you spray it with pearl black liquid colors. Okay, and you do about 3 coats on the button, and then you spray it with your clear coat. This is a pledge. Of course, you tape it off, and when you tape this off, you tape it off in a circle like I showed in the other videos. And when you pull it off at an angle, like a 45-degree angle, so you don't pull the paint. But once you seal the paint, you should be all set. You should be all set with the finish. Let me see if we can get away here and just put some liquid gold on here. We have a mark right there. And just do it up with some liquid gold. Yes. Liquid gold works pretty good. You can use a lamb's wool on leather. That works good too. And spray the flap here. So that shines up nice. Sometimes just the liquid gold will take some very light scratches out, and there it is, all shined up with liquid gold. And like I said, you can use lamb's wool. So you got burnt umber, and you got pearl black and wicked, some pledge to coat the leather, the button, I'm sorry, and the tape to go around the button so you can coat the black and the clear coat. So that's what I want to show you. It's an easy process, and if you have scuff marks, it'll really take out those scuff marks in your leather. I have another case over there, a PST leatherman. I may do that to that one. So that's the video to recap on this for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. You have a great day, safe day, and we'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you.